let's get back into the program, ladies and gentlemen. And a conference like this would not be complete without a government minister administering ministrations. And so it is that we have on the program the Federal Minister for Financial Services and Revenue, the Honourable Kelly O'Dwyer MP. And we are delighted that Kelly, in her busy schedule, whose background is in corporate law, but over her time in Parliament has been Minister for Small Business, Assistant Treasurer, and as well as Minister for Women, that she's able to be here with us today. And I'm sure that she's also very pleased to be with us today. As someone who has to survive question time in Parliament, I'm sure she's looking forward to talking to a group of people who won't interrupt or heckle or interject, although that can be arranged if you prefer. So, ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome the far from sinister Minister, the favourable, admirable, venerable, and of course honourable Kelly O'Dwyer.
Very good, Darren. Very good.
Nice to have you. I'm glad you made it.
Well, wow, what an introduction that was. And Darren, thank you very much. I'm going to have to take you everywhere.